Welcome. This is Jamb. Yeah, 2011 government pass question. Question number 26. Question number 26 says, which of the following societies was classified as Accephalous? Which of the following societies was classified as Accephalous? Now, when we talk of Accephalous society, according to Professor Fag, an historian, Fag, he says an acephalous state is a state without a single unit of political command. So not that there is no political institution, but there is no one specific uh, supreme political institutions, and that is what the Igbo people experience in their society. So it is not Ijo, it's not Benin, it's not Ibibio. So you find out in the Igbo society that so many different institutions, and they all have their standing political functions or role. So that is why it is called as a follow. So option A is correct.